Your gut contains trillions of bacteria, fungi, viruses, other microorganisms, collectively called gut microbiome. This is second genome, affects every aspect of health, digestion, immunity, mood, metabolism, everything. The numbers are staggering. 100 trillion microorganisms in gut outnumber human cells 10 to 1, weigh 2 to 3 pounds total, more genes in microbiome than in human genome. This is ecosystem, living inside you. Diversity matters more than total number. Healthy gut has hundreds of different species. Western diet and lifestyle reduce diversity dramatically. This reduction correlates with chronic disease, obesity, autoimmune conditions. Gut bacteria perform functions humans can't. Break down fiber into short-chain fatty acids, butyrate, acetate, propionate. These fuel intestinal cells, reduce inflammation, regulate metabolism. This is why fiber is essential. Microbiome produces neurotransmitters. 90% of serotonin made in gut, not brain, also produces GABA, dopamine, others. This is gut-brain axis. Why gut health affects mood, anxiety, depression directly. Immune system is 70% in gut microbiome trains. Immune system tells it what's dangerous, what's not. Dysbiosis means imbalanced microbiome. This confuses. Immune system leads to autoimmune conditions, allergies, asthma. Antibiotics destroy microbiome indiscriminately, kill good bacteria, along with bad. Single course of antibiotics can alter microbiome for months. Multiple courses can cause permanent changes. Use only when truly necessary. Rebuilding after antibiotics requires effort. High fiber foods, fermented foods, probiotics all help, but takes time, months potentially, to restore diversity. Prevention is better than cure. Avoid unnecessary antibiotics. Fiber is food for gut. Bacteria called prebiotics. Different fibers feed different bacteria. Variety is key. Vegetables, fruits, whole grains, legumes, nuts, seeds. Each provides different fibers. Aim for 30 grams daily minimum. Resistant starch is particularly beneficial, found in cooked and cooled potatoes, rice, legumes, green bananas, oats. This type of starch resists digestion, reaches colon intact, feeds beneficial bacteria there. Polyphenols are plant compounds that feed good bacteria. Berries, dark chocolate, green tea, coffee, red wine, olive oil, all rich in polyphenols. These select for beneficial species, reduce harmful ones. Fermented foods contain live beneficial bacteria. Probiotics, yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, kombucha, miso, tempeh. These introduce new species to gut daily consumption, improves diversity and health, not all. Fermented foods contain probiotics. Pasteurization kills bacteria. Most store-bought pickles are pickled with vinegar, not fermented, don't contain probiotics. Look for live in active cultures. On label, probiotic supplements can help, especially after antibiotics or with digestive issues, but not all created equal. Strain matters, dose matters, delivery method matters. Most common strains are Lactobacillus, Bifidobacterium. Multi-strain probiotics are generally better than single strain. Look for 10 billion CFU colony-forming units minimum. Higher doses up to 100 billion. For therapeutic purposes, refrigerated probiotics, often more potent. Prebiotics are fiber that feeds. Probiotics can supplement, but better. From food, chicory root, Jerusalem artichoke, dandelion greens, garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, bananas, all rich in prebiotics. Symbiotics combine probiotics and prebiotics. In supplement, this provides both bacteria and their food may be more effective than probiotics alone. Emerging research supports this approach. Fecal matter transplants are extreme. Intervention for severe dysbiosis, C. difficile infection, inflammatory bowel disease, taking stool from healthy donor, transplanting to patient. Success rates are high. For C. diff, this shows power of microbiome. Stress affects microbiome negatively. Chronic stress reduces diversity, increases harmful species, damages gut lining, creating leaky gut. Stress management is microbiome management. Therefore, sleep effects. Microbiome. 2. Poor sleep disrupts gut bacteria, circadian rhythms. Apply to microbiome as well. Bacteria have daily cycles that align with feeding, fasting, sleeping. Disrupting these harms microbiome. Exercise improves microbiome independent of diet. Studies show athletes have more diverse microbiomes than sedentary people, even with similar diets. Movement matters for gut health. Artificial sweeteners harm microbiome despite 0 calories, saccharin, sucralose, aspartame, all alter gut bacteria negatively, can cause glucose intolerance through microbiome changes. Avoid these for gut health. Emulsifiers are food additives that improve texture, common in processed foods. These damage gut lining, promote inflammation, alter microbiome. Another reason to avoid processed foods heavily. The gut microbiome is modifiable. Unlike genes, you can change it through diet, through lifestyle, through supplements. Changes happen quickly, days to weeks for some aspects. This is empowering. This is actionable. Your microbiome is unique, like fingerprint. What works for others may not work for you. Experimentation required. Pay attention to how foods affect you. This is personalized nutrition, literally. Future of medicine includes microbiome testing, personalized probiotics based on your specific imbalances. This is coming. Already available. In some places, this will revolutionize nutrition and health management.